Well, I didn't know this was going to pick up another version of this recording. I thought I had paused one. But just for references, this is what the OEM speakers look like. That material cover over the top, that cover right there, do not disturb that cover. That's the way it's made. That's the way it's supposed to be. But there's what your OEM speakers look like. That's also a basic GM connector there. If you buy you a GM adapter kit for these speakers, there's you an image to look at that so you know what you're looking at. And maybe I need a light on there, but I think you get the idea there. There's another image from another direction. All right.